case of coefficient of correlation for a group data or bivariate frequency distribution. This time we have the data or the information about the height and weight of 100 students of a school. Height in centimeters and weight in kilograms. And we need to find out the coefficient of correlation between these two variables. This time we have in question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 columns. 7 plus 7 we need 14 columns. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. 6 plus 7, 13 rows. Now let us start solving the problem. First of all, let us write mid value of x and mid value of y. The lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 will be the mid value. That is 161, 163, 165, 167, 169 and 171. In this case, see the data is in descending order. Mind well, at the time of making all calculations and writing value, 55, 53, 51, 49 and 47. Before selecting the mid value to find out u and v, we should have the summation of frequencies. This will be summation of frequency for v, repeating column v, f into v will be fv, f into v square and last will be fuv. Here it will be summation of frequency for x, so fx, repetition of row u, f into u will be fu, f into u square and fuv. Now we are going to learn how to find out the different values and to have the values and summations of respective columns and rows. The summation will be 3, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 6, 13, 2 plus 5, 7 plus 11, 18 plus 7, 25 plus 3, 28, 6 plus 10, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 11, 33, 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 2, 15, 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 6, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 7, 19. 5 plus 10, 15 plus 8 plus 1, 24. 5 plus 11, 16 plus 6, 22 plus 1, 23. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 11, 20 plus 2, 22. 3 plus 6 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12. Now summation 3 plus 13, 16 plus 28, 44 plus 33, 77 plus 15, 92 plus 8, 100. It should be 100 for the column also. 19 plus 24, 43 plus 23, 66, 66 plus 22, 88 plus 12, 100. So it is 100. Now u and v, what is u? U is nothing, it is the result of change of origin and scale in case of x, and v is the result of change of origin and scale in case of variable y. So mid value of x minus the selected one. What will be the selected one? What should be the other selected one? Either you can take the mid value against the highest frequency or randomly you can take any. This time we are going to take randomly. Let us take the value in the middle, 51, and similarly there is no middle value possible because even number of cases, so I am going to take this. You can take different, but the values of the say written in the rows and columns will be different for you. So I advise first time you follow me and then you can solve the problem in your own way according to your own selections. So u will be now 161 minus 165 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 2. 163 minus 165 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 1. 165 minus 165 0. 167 minus 165 2 divided by 2 is 1. 169 minus 165 4 divided by 2 is 2. 171 minus 165 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, now what? Same way v. 55 minus 51, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 53 minus 51, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 49 minus 51 minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. 47 minus 51 minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. Now let us repeat the column and row of u and v respectively. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Similarly 2, 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. Normally in case of this column the negative numbers are on the upper side of 0 and positive on the lower side of the 0. But since the data is in descending order, the place of positive and negative numbers have changed. Okay. That is not a bigger thing, but don't follow the mechanism. If you are going to follow the mechanism, you can make an error of writing negative values here and positive values here. That will give you the wrong solution. Okay, now next, u into f will be fu, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, 13 into minus 1 minus 13, 28 into 0, 0, 33 into 1, 33 and 15 into 2, 30. The summation and 8 into 3, 24. The summation, minus 13 plus minus 6 minus 19. And here it will be 33 plus 30, 63 plus 24, 87. 87 minus 19 will be 68. Sigma f u. Or you can subtract these numbers from any one. 33 minus 19 will be 14. 14 plus 24 will be 38 plus 30, 68. That is another way to get the same total. Similarly, f into u square. The squared value of u only. So this is not the whole. Fu the whole square. It is f into u square. So f into u that will be fu square. So multiplication of these two rows will be the result f into u square. Minus 2 into minus 6, 12. Minus 1 into minus 13, 13. 0, 1 into 33, 33. 2 into 30, 60. And 3 into 24, 72. The summation will be 25 plus 33, 58 plus 60, 118 plus 72. It will be 190. Sigma f u square. Similarly, now the column of FV, f into v, 19 into 2, 38, 24 into 1, 24, 0, 22 into minus 1, minus 22, 12 into minus 2, minus 24. The summation will be 24, 24, negative positive cancel, 38 minus 22 will be 16. So sigma FV is 16. FV square is f into v. So 2 into 38, 76. 1 into 24, 24. 0, minus 1 into minus 22, 22. And minus 2 into minus 24 is 48. The summation will be, summation of these two is 100 plus summation of these two is 70. So summation comes to 170. Sigma f into v square. Okay. Squared value of v only, not the fv the whole square. That will be wrong. Now, for last column and row, we need to write the values in this box itself. F into u into v. F into u into v. But this column has 0. So everything will be 0. And this row has 0. So everything will be 0. Now we are going to write the values in the remaining boxes only. First of all here, f into u into v. 3f into minus 2 u into minus 2 v. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 into minus 2 positive 12. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 2. 6 into minus 1 minus 6 into minus 2 12. Here 6 into 1 6 into 2 12. 4 into 2 8 into 2 16. 7 into 3 21 into 2 42. Similarly 10 into 1 10 into 1 10. 8 into 2 16 into 1 16. 1 into 3 3 into 1 3. Here it is 0. So for this cell, 11 into 1, 11 into minus 1, minus 11. 2 into 2, 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Okay? Now summations. 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 0. 10 plus 12 minus 22 minus 11, 11. 16 plus 16, 32 minus 4, 28. 42 plus 3, 45. 45 plus 28 plus 11 plus 14 plus 12. 26, 37, 45, 65, 110 is the total sigma F UV. 12 plus 16, 28 plus 42 is 70. 10 plus 16, 26 plus 3, 29. 0. 2 minus 11, minus 9, minus 4, minus 13. 12 plus 12, 24. Now 24 minus 13 will be 11. 11 plus 29, 40 plus 70, 110. 110 sigma F UV. See, the total is same. In this case, all the values and all the summations are different. In the previous case, everything was equal because that was a spatial problem. I had deliberately selected. In all other cases, the summations, the numbers will be different. But these two must be equal. And total of these two row and column must be equal. So this was the process of finding the summations to substitute in the formula. The row or column having F in it should be selected to get the summation. The row or column having F in it should be selected for summation. See, where there is F, we have to find summation. FV, we have to find summation. Sorry, F of V. F into V, this is F of Y actually, not V. Okay, F summation, 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 F summation. So, this is a hint where there is F in the title of row or column, we have to find out the summation. Now, let us calculate the coefficient of correlation. Now we need only the required 5 summations or 6 summations, but actually there are 5, not 6. The same summation. Okay. Coefficient of correlation for group data or bivariate frequency distribution is n into sigma FUV minus sigma FU into sigma FV upon under root n sigma F U square minus sigma F U the whole square into under root n sigma F into V square minus sigma F V the whole square. Let us substitute. N is 100, 110 minus sigma F U is 68. Sigma FV is 16 upon under root n is 100, sigma FU square is 190 minus sigma FU 68 the whole square into under root n is 100, sigma FV square is 170 minus sigma FV the whole square 16 the whole square. Multiplying, it gives 11,000 minus 68 into 16. 68 into 16 is 1088. Upon under root 100 into 190, 19,000 minus square of 68 is 4,624 into under root. 100 into 170, 17,000 minus square of 16 is 256. So ultimately it is 11,000 minus 1,000 is 10,000 minus 88 is 9,912 upon 19,000 minus 4,000 gives 15,000 minus 624 is 14,376 square root of that into under root 17,000 minus 256 is 16,744. So ultimately it is 9,912 upon we can multiply these two and then find out the square root. That will give us the accurate answer, and it comes to 15,514.89. 15,514.89. So the coefficient of correlation between the heights and weights of 100 students of a school comes to 0.6389. You can say that approximately it is 0.64. So this was the another case of finding coefficient of correlation for a group data or bivariate frequency distribution. That's it. Thank you very much.